What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we're going to be taking a look at Solana, or the Sol token SOL. That's the abbreviation, but you all know that. Basically wanted to take a look at Solana for one reason. I mean, yesterday was a pretty bearish day at the end. We got a couple of dips. I wouldn't call them crashes. But we got a couple of dips for across the board. I mean, with Bitcoin, Ethereum dipped down pretty hard. Solana, Cardano too. That's also where the rise in volume comes from. Obviously, there's a lot of people selling and buying at lower levels. You can see that right here. For Solana, it's actually not that bad of news. I mean, you can see that Solana was just pretty stable ever since that dropped the 27th of August. We kind of consolidated between $33 and $30. $30 is obviously a very strong, also psychological support level. And that is also the level we dropped down to yesterday after this small bull trap. I almost shorted from $34, but it didn't hit that level, which is a shame, but that's just the way the world works sometimes. So to me, I mean, to be quite honest with you, I think the chart of Solana is pretty difficult right now. Because we've dropped down to the same support level as we held for the last couple of days. So we didn't really have a crash compared to the last month, while other cryptos actually did have a real crash, most notoriously Bitcoin and also Ethereum a little. But I still expect Solana to hold this $30 at least for the next couple of days. I will also be back with updates soon when I have a little bit more of a bias, because right now what I expect is that somewhere within the next weeks we will drop down to levels a little bit lower. So those levels will probably be around $28 at first, and then if that bearish momentum really continues, we'll drop down all the way to $26. But $28 really is first. $28 is a very strong support level too. All right, we're now on top of this huge support area, ranging from 30 all the way down to $26. 30, 28, and 26 are all very strong support levels. But September for crypto is notoriously bearish. That's why I do expect us to hold $30, just because that support level is that strong. But this drop down to at least $28 is mainly because of that. All right, so for example, yeah, I mean, I will keep updating it. It's pretty vague still what's happening. That's also why I don't usually trade after moves like these. All right, we just need to find some sort of a market structure, and we haven't really found it with all of the cryptos, I think. I mean, you can see that with all cryptos. I mean, we had this move and then we kind of stayed flat, like fully flat. And all cryptos have that. I mean, I think so at least. Bitcoin, after that drop down to 18,700, for example. So after this drop, we kind of stayed flat. We were a little bit more bearish, but on the chart you wouldn't notice. Same as with Solana on the chart compared to the last week, you wouldn't notice. All right, so I will be back with new updates for Solana, but for now I do think we can hold our levels and get a small, like under 10% drop somewhere within the next 2 weeks. All right, so that's my analysis right now on Solana. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today and bye.